So this is my test flight. I've done it a couple of days later. I did say I'd do it the next day, but things happened. So I went out today to capture this old abandoned mine, which is just up the road from me. I just wanted to see if there's anything wrong. Everything looked fine to me. Nice clear picture. I haven't used any filters or nothing. It's just straight off the drone itself in auto. I just wanted to capture this building and just to see if there's any wobble on the gimbal, but to me it looked fine. And also it was a bit windy, because when I flew the drone near this building, to me, looking at the drone itself, it looked like it was all over the place, but looking on this, there is a little bit of movement. I think that was more to do with me than the drone, and that's why I went really close to that roof and looked down on it as well. But the picture looks nice and sharp, which is the main thing. The colours come out nice and well, which I love. Now, something else that I did, which I'll be showing you guys later on, and also another thing that I wanted to do was just to fly the drone towards the building to check out the avoidance. It went through the doorway, had no problems, nice and smooth. Like I said, it was a little bit windy out there. It doesn't look really windy in that picture. Now, the next thing you're going to see now is something I'll be showing you in a couple of weeks' time, how to do a 3D model using your DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now, on this one, I only took about 130 photographs. And the one I'm going to show you, obviously, the more photographs you take, the much better it is. But this is amazing, guys. It's no apps you got to use. You can just use it straight off your drone. The software is free as well. But I'll show you this in a couple of weeks' time. But everything looked fine to me. Took the photographs. Yeah. So, as always, if you find it interesting, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video, guys.